Okay, for this type of Marvelo, especially have this type of cap, when you put in the Marvelo, it's quite tight. You see, when you're going to tie it, you see on top here, it look like stuck there. So you push harder and press it in. Okay, he can go in. And you want to take out, you also press down and your finger pull it out. Yes. But if you think it's very tight, you cannot go in, you can use a screwdriver to press. Press it in like that, yes. Okay. And you want to take out, you press down, then pull out. Yes. Okay. Thank you.